Hi Kyle, Clarissa. Congratulations. Hap- Happy ang kasal. We love you. Chup chup. Ano ba yun? Ay, ikaw
Pag
naman.
kailangan ng pera, lapit kay Tita Lani.
Paulo? Ano pa yun?
Hi Kyle and Clarice, may you live happily ever after. Congratulations on your wedding. Woo!
Best wishes to both of you, Kyle and Meng. Love you both.
Hi Kyle, hi Clarice, congratulations sa inyo at good luck. Patuloy pang mag-ingat at pagpalain sana tayong lahat ng Diyos. Ingat kayo lagi.
Jollibee yan.
One piece chicken, tsaka joke lang. Hello, can we order chicken joy? Hello? Ang dami dito nawawala.
Ayoko.
May salita.
Carlo.
Beep. Pag narinig mo yung beep, salita ka na.
Walang beep.
Salita na.
Message para sa sana ikinasal. Magbigayan at magintindihan. Sabi nga sa katatagal ng pagsasama.
Hello, my name is Wagwan. Kanya ako na siya. Uya kay Ate Ming.
Congratulations.
Ang nation.
I love you.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Hello Kuya Kyle and Ate Clarice, congratulations and sana na mag-enjoy kayo this night.
Hello, may Chippy. Kiss me. Ay.
Hello! Congratulations, Kla and Kyle. Wishing you both a lifetime of love and happiness.
Hi Kyle, hi Clarissa. Congratulations on your wedding and I hope God will be the center of your love. Congratulations!
Hello, congratulations. Sana maging masaya kayo. I love you both, Mama.
Hello, congratulations about... Sorry.